Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find ignition coils, fuses, relays on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, guys. We'll talk about that. We'll also share information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way, guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, check out where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. We'll share that information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. The ignition coils, fuses, relays, guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find them. We'll demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox. And quick advice from us, guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox, probably, guys. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. And what we need to do now, open the hood facing the engine on the right side here, guys. Okay, is the main engine fuse box. If you have the 4-cylinder engine, you have 4 ignition coils right here, right, guys? Now, that's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have one top here with 2 clips on this side that you push together, one on this side as well. Lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here what we need to check: 2 fuses, then we'll talk about relays as well. Please make sure to stay until the end. If those fuses are okay, there are other things that you may need to check as well. And first we're talking about, okay, fuse number 37. Okay, one of those is for the odd numbers ignition coils, one is for the even. Very limited information, but check fuse number 37 and 38. These 2 fuses will control all your ignition coils in your Chevy Equinox. You don't have a relay, guys. Okay, those are known as relay fuses, but check fuses and relays for the engine computer, because the engine computer is controlling the ignition coils as well. If you don't know where those multiple fuses, relays that are responsible for the engine computer are located, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with that if you need it, guys. Check it out. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.